Looking to start your DJ journey? The Pioneer DJ DDJ-FLX4 is a 2-deck controller designed for beginners, offering seamless integration with Rekordbox and Serato DJ Lite. It packs essential features for learning, wrapped in a portable, professional layout. Let's see if this is the right starting point for your mixing ambitions. This chart reveals where the DDJ-FLX4 truly shines and where its limitations become apparent. It's designed to help new DJs easily grasp fundamental mixing concepts, offering intuitive controls and features like Smart Fader 2. For personal practice and casual home performances, this controller provides all the necessary functions for creating enjoyable mixes and developing. The controller performs well for small gatherings and house parties, offering sufficient features and reliability to keep the music flowing. For professional club environments, it generally lacks the robust inputs, outputs, and dedicated controls that seasoned DJs rely on for. The DDJ-FLX4 truly excels as a starting point, providing new DJs with the tools and software. Assessing the DDJ-FLX4's value, we consider its features, brand reputation, and standing against competitors. It offers a rich set of features, including Smart Fader and comprehensive software support, which is quite impressive for its. Pioneer DJ is a respected name in the industry, and this controller benefits from that legacy, assuring buyers of quality. Compared to other entry-level controllers, it offers a very compelling package, often outperforming or matching competitors in key areas like. While already a good value, you can often find this controller with decent discounts or bundle deals, making it Considering its feature set, trusted brand, and software compatibility, the DDJ-FLX4 delivers strong value, particularly for. Understanding potential issues is crucial. This chart highlights any significant risks or common complaints. The controller has a decent build quality, feeling sturdy enough for regular home use and transport, reflecting the brand's commitment. Its hardware is generally dependable, providing consistent performance during mixing sessions, which is crucial for beginners building confidence without worry. Pioneer DJ offers strong customer support and warranty, giving buyers confidence that assistance is available if they encounter any issues. Initial software setup and compatibility with different devices can sometimes be a bit confusing for those completely new to DJing. The main risks revolve around software configuration for new users and the inherent limitations of it. For aspiring DJs, the Pioneer DJ DDJ-FLX4 is an outstanding entry point. It's ideal for beginners who want to learn on industry-standard software like Rekordbox or Serato, providing a professional-style layout and features to grow with.